everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily buy in bulk on AliExpress and score the best deal. Let's dive right in. So let's get started. First, open up your AliExpress app on your phone. Then tap onto the things that you will like to purchase. For example, I will be selecting quite options, add to cart from here, and if you like to buy a same product multiple times, then you can just add your quantity here and then continue it to add to your cart. Now let's get back to our home page and look for the cart option. Here you will see the product you have added to the cart. Click the checkout option and you will be able to purchase it on a bulk. You can add the quantity from here too, and all you have to do is pay for the product, and that's it. Now you know how to shop for bulk items on AliExpress and save big while doing it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.